We are here today at Griffith, Malcolmback campus, and there's a worrying trend of students not concentrating and falling asleep in class. Let's go and find out why. Oh, there's someone. Why are you asleep?
Just got no energy.
Did you have breakfast?
No, I don't think I did this morning.
Why not?
Oh, I didn't have any time. I had to rush to uni.
When you don't have breakfast, you feel lethargic, cannot concentrate, and you're more likely to eat the wrong foods throughout the day. When you do have breakfast, you can concentrate in your classes a lot better, and you are less likely to feel hungry during the morning, and you will have sustained energy. When you do have breakfast, you should have low GI food, such as a serving of fruit, serving of low-fat dairy, such as milk and yogurt, and a serving of high-fibre, whole-grain cereal and bread. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You come to uni to learn, and you need to be able to concentrate in lectures and tutorials. If you don't have a good breakfast, you're not giving yourself the